Hey everyone, good morning. This is Anjay here. Welcome to English class. Today we are going to view the use of narration in speaking. Let's begin. Guys and girls, अस्सलाम वालेकुम. आज हम इंग्लिश बोलचाल में बयानिया नरेशन विच मीन्स डायरेक्ट एंड इनडायरेक्ट बराह रास्त और बिलवास्ता गुफ्तगू के बारे में जांचकारी करेंगे और इन जुमलों की भरपूर तरीके से बोलने की, इन्हें प्रोनाउंस करने की मशक प्रैक्टिस करते हैं ताकि आप अच्छे से अच्छे अंदाज में प्रॉपर एक्सेंट के साथ इंग्लिश बोलचाल सीख सकें। आइए गाइस एंड गर्ल्स वाइट बोर्ड पे इन जुमलों को देखते हैं। Here you are guys. You see, first one is I say to him. I say to him. Comma, inverted comma start. You are a good boy. You are a good boy. You are a good boy. तो गाइस यहाँ हमने बात की I say to him. मैंने उससे कहा You are a good boy. कि आप एक अच्छे लड़के हो। और ये बात जो है ये डायरेक्ट स्पीच है क्योंकि इस पे कॉमर्स का इस्तेमाल किया गया है। अब हमें इसे इनडायरेक्ट में तब्दील करना है। आइए उस जुमले को देखते हैं। Here you see guys, indirect speech is I tell him. I tell him. Commas will be replaced by that. And we write that here and we write the remaining statement. That is, he is a good boy. I tell him that he is a good boy. Here you see the change. Instead of you, we write here he. As per rules of narration, you is changed by outer object which is him. You see him here. So we change you by him and we write its subjective side which is he. So our sentence is I tell him that he is a good boy. I tell him that he is a good boy. Guys and girls and viewers, आपने देखा कि हमने डायरेक्ट स्पीच को इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में चेंज किया और नया जुमला जो बना वो है I tell him that he is a good boy. So आइए अगले जुमले को देखते हैं। Here you see guys, next one is it's a direct speech. The boy said, लड़के ने कहा, comma, inverted comma start, do they come here? Do they come here? Commas close, interrogative sign. The boy said, commas, inverted comma start, do they come here? क्या वो यहाँ आते हैं? So this is a query, this is a question, guys and girls. दूसरे जुमले में आपने देखा the boy said, लड़के ने कहा do they come here? क्या वो यहाँ आते हैं? ये एक सवाल है, ये क्वेश्चन है, क्वेरी है और इसे भी इनडायरेक्ट में देखते हैं कैसे चेंज किया गया है और उन रूल्स को भी देखते हैं कौन से रूल्स अप्लाई हुए। आइए ब्लैक वाइट बोर्ड पे देखते हैं। Here you see guys, this change be the boy asked, it changes the boy asked and commas will be replaced by if. We will write if in place of commas because it is an interrogative sentence. So when we remove commas, we write if, not that. In interrogative questions, in queries, we always write if. So it's a simple interrogative, so we write if here and the next statement will be they came here. Read it again. The boy asked if they came there. If they came there. If they came there. Here you see three changes. We write if instead of commas because it's a simple question and they is a third person. It will remain same because the third person never gonna change. So we'll write they as it is. And here see the second form of verb came. We write here came. It's a second form of verb. It's a past tense because Why we write came here instead of come? Because we see the outer statement is of this sentence is said and asked. So when we have the past tense in outer complement, so we write the second form of the verb and change the verb form. So we write here came, if they came there. And by rules, there are certain words which also will change. Those words also change. So here will be changed by there. So we write here there. Now we read this statement again. The boy asked if they came here. लड़के ने पूछा आया कि वो यहाँ आए, आया कि वो वहाँ आए. If they came there, आया कि वो यहाँ आए. So next, you see next one is the teacher said, comma, inverted comma, start, do you write the poem? Did you write the poem? The teacher said, did you write the poem? Did you write the poem? क्या आपने नज़म लिखी? So it's also a question. Guys, let's change it. You see here, indirect will be the teacher asked if we had written the poem. The teacher asked, उस्ताद ने पूछा, commas will be replaced by if, and we will make the sentence into positive, into affirmative form. We will write here we. You is a second person, and by rules you will be replaced by outer object, which is the teacher said to us. We resume that object is us, and by rule we will write its subjective state, which is we. So if we had written the poem, and here see this is a past form of tense, and we have to write now past perfect. So we will write here had and third form of verb. So if we had written the poem, the teacher asked if we had written the poem. उस्ताद ने पूछा आया कि हम नज़म लिख चुके थे. So next one is, this is direct speech. Read here. He said to the peon, go and bring the cake. He said to the peon, comma, inverted commas, go and bring the cake. Go and bring the cake. This is an order. This is an imperative statement. This is an imperative statement. This is an order. उसने पियन से कहा जाइए और केक लेकर आइए. Now we see its change. You see here. He ordered the peon. उसने चपरासी को हुक्म दिया to go and bring the cake. He ordered the peon to go and bring the cake. So you see here, guys, commas are replaced by two. When we have imperative sentences, we change commas by two. We write two instead of commas, and then we write the remaining statement. So here you see, he ordered the peon. उसने चपरासी को हुक्म दिया to go, जाइए, and bring the cake, और केक लाइए. Read it again. He ordered the peon to go and bring the cake. उसने चपरासी को हुक्म दिया जाओ और केक लेकर आओ. So guys, let's have a say again. Follow me. Direct speech, first one. Direct speech. I say to him, you are a good boy. I say to him, commas, inverted commas, start. You are a good boy, and change is I tell him that he is a good boy. I tell him that he is a good boy. And next one is the boy asked, do they come here? The boy said, do they come here? The boy said, do they come here? And its change is the boy asked if they came there. The boy asked if they came there. The boy asked if they came there. And third one is direct speech. The teacher said, did you write the poem? The teacher said, comma, start. Did you write the poem? Commas close, interrogative sign. And its change is the teacher asked if we had written the poem. The teacher asked if we had written the poem. And you see the last one is he said to the peon, he said to the peon, comma, inverted comma start, go and bring the cake, commas close, full stop, and changes, he ordered the peon to go and bring the cake. So guys, you have to make a practice with these statements of narration. Doing so, you will be able to speak a good English. See you again. Goodbye.